Today we will discuss about the encapsulation in Java. So encapsulation is a pillar of object-oriented programming concept. First we discuss the what is the encapsulation in Java. So encapsulation is defined as the wrapping the data units under single units, and encapsulation is a mechanism which builds together in the class and data it manipulates. Now we create a fully encapsulated class by using all the data methods in the class private, and now we can use setter and getter methods to set and get the data in its the Java Beans class is an example of fully encapsulated class. Technically, in encapsulation, the variables and Java data in the class, which is hidden from other class, and it will access from only this action. Now it is access only with their class. In short, encapsulation is an object-oriented programming procedure, and its combination of data members and data methods, which inside the user-defined class. Now we see some what is the need of encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation improves the procedure of the code in the whole class. We need the encapsulation in Java for various reasons. First one is better security. First one is better security. Encapsulation is improved by data members and data methods for the class. Second one is getter and setter method. It is standard idiom. It inbuilds the getter and setter method for programming pace. Next one is security. It improves the security Then fourth one is flexibility. Now we see some advantage of encapsulation in Java. First one, by providing only first one by providing here all the encapsulation in Java. Thank you.